In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send follow-up emails after form submissions in HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple form into an automated follow-up machine that keeps your leads engaged without any manual effort. First, log into your HubSpot account and look for the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. From there, hover over or click on the Marketing tab. This is where HubSpot keeps most of the tools related to attracting and nurturing your contacts, including forms and emails. Once you're in the marketing area, look for the option labeled Forms and click on it. This will take you to the Forms dashboard, where you can see a list of all the forms you've already created. If you have a lot of forms, you can use the search bar or filters to quickly find the specific one you want to add follow-up emails to. Next, select the form you want to work with. Simply click on the form name in the list. This opens up the overview for that form, where you can see things like submission performance and other details. This is the form that will trigger your follow-up emails whenever someone fills it out. From the form overview page, look for a button or link that says Edit Form and click on it. This takes you into the form editor. Even though we're focusing on automation, you always start from the form editor, because that's where HubSpot connects automations directly to the form. Inside the form editor, you'll see several tabs across the top or side. Find the tab labeled Automation and click on it. This is where you define what should happen after someone successfully submits the form. You might already see some default options like sending a simple follow-up email or creating a more advanced workflow. Now, to properly set up automated follow-ups, click on the option that says Create this workflow. This will generate a workflow that's tied to that specific form submission. From here, you can customize the follow-up email content, timing, and any additional actions you want, like updating contact properties or notifying your team. Once you've configured your workflow and emails the way you want, make sure to review everything, then save and turn the workflow on. From that point forward, anyone who submits that form will automatically receive your follow-up email sequence, giving them a consistent and professional experience every time.